Hi, it's Savannah and her Fisher-Price Little People Fun Sound Farm. Yes, quick and easy to put together, really a treat. And she enjoys it so much. Yes. The farm has a horse, a sheep, a cow, a chicken, and of course, farm boy, along with farm girl Savannah. Yay, Savannah! Yay! Quick and easy to put together. This little gadget came in about 3 pieces. All you did, took 2 screws, screwed the ladder on back here, and took the top and popped it onto the grass. This was all 1 piece here, and the green was another piece. Just popped the 2 together, put the screws on with the hayloft 1 and the ladder. Hayloft 2 was already there. Yes, it was. And then you got the sheep, the horse. The fence, you can do what you want. You can put on either side. This side or the other side, the little corral. And the little ones just love it. So much fun. She played for hours with that yesterday. And it looks like she's back at it. But anyway, she also got the little tractor pulling the hay wagon. Chicken comes with it. Another farm boy. And another cow. Tailgate works. Vroom. And it's a great set to keep the young ones happy and playful for hours. Thanks for watching. One Betty Pill.